Hello, it's Rob, Cambridge Motor Centre. Today we've got a 64 plate Mercedes Sprinter. It's a driver transfer vehicle and it's only done 34,000 miles. Direct from Motability. Bodywork, not in the greatest condition if we're being truthful. However, everything is functional and working, and mechanically it is spot on. It has been priced to reflect its condition, so let's show you around. We've got front parking sensors and rear for that matter. And the first thing you'll notice is this crease in the driver's door. There's nothing really absolutely terrible about this van. It's just a few knocks around the bodywork, which we always point out. Now, as I'm sure you would have seen in the photos, there is a Paravan system. And this works by flicking this across. This will then bring the control across, but we'll show you a bit more about that when we go inside the van later on in the video. You'll also notice on this panel there has been a previous repair attempted. Doesn't look too great, to be honest. And then coming round to the back, and again another little ding on that door. We've got the remote for the back doors, so these are fully automatic, and that one, there's only 4 buttons, one to bring everything out, one to move the lift down, and subsequently one to move it up, and then one to put everything away. So this gives complete independence to the driver, allowing them to do everything from the remote control. Sliding door on this side, which opens to reveal we've got 4 restraint points for the wheelchair or the QLK dock system, whichever is your preference. And then the 6-way swivel seat with the controls on the left side of the driver there. There's also 2 fold-up seats to give maximum space in the back to the wheelchair user. Automatic step on the passenger side. And as we come up into the van, for those that haven't had a Paravan system before, this vehicle can be driven as a normal vehicle. We've got the pedals and the steering wheel as normal, and like we did earlier, this can just fold out the way to give a normal driving position. However, we've got a switch down here, which when switched on will activate the Paravan system. We can then bring this over, and now this particular system is steering only, so you would need to use your feet for the pedals, but then this can be used for the steering controls. And we've got a push button on the top for basic functions like lights, indicators, etc. The key switch has been moved to this side as well, and the gears moved to a push button to make it easier to access. So a relatively basic conversion, but extremely useful for those that are looking for such. Really, other than that we've shown you down the driver's side, those 2 bits and the small ding on the back, it's not too bad. However, we do like to point everything out so you know exactly what you're getting. It's a real price point vehicle. We don't think you'll find a better value one anywhere in the country at the moment. So if you'd like any more information on this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch.